Namaste friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to share another super healthy millet idli for weight loss. This idli is also useful for diabetic, hypertensive, PCOS, thyroid patients. It can be used as a healthy breakfast for whole family. Speciality of this idli is it does not require any dal or fermentation. With the rich fiber of millet and banana stem, you will feel fuller for longer period, and with low glycemic index, it reduces the hunger pangs. Thus, it helps in weight loss. Rich potassium in millet and banana stem helps to control blood pressure. With low glycemic index, it helps to control blood sugar level. Let us start with the recipe. Here, I have taken 1 cup of little millet, also called as same in Kannada. You can select any millet of your choice. Wash it thoroughly and soak it in water for 6 to 8 hours. This is banana stem. Here I am chopping the banana stem into small pieces. Speciality of banana stem is its fiber. Cut it into thin slices and remove the thread-like structure and chop it into thin pieces. Banana stem is rich source of vitamin A, B6, iron, potassium and fiber and is very low in calorie. Because of rich fiber, it helps to detoxify the body. It helps to expel waste from intestine and reduces the chances of gastric ulcer. Fiber provides relief from constipation and bloating. Rich fiber and low calorie helps to reduce weight fast. Fiber also helps to reduce LDL cholesterol level and increases HDL, good cholesterol level in the body, and helps the heart to function normally. It also helps to cleanse the urinary bladder and prevents the formation of renal calculi. Banana stem is one of the best alkaline food that prevents gastric irritation. With rich iron, it prevents anemia. We have to chop the banana stem into small pieces like this and keep it ready. After 8 hours of soaking, transfer the soaked millet into blending jar. Add 1 spoon of cumin seeds, 1 inch size ginger. By adding millet soaked water, grind it to form coarse paste. Millet soaked water contains micronutrients, so don't discard the millet soaked water. Transfer the batter into a bowl. Add pink Himalayan salt as per taste. Now add 1 cup of finely chopped banana stem pieces. Give a nice mix. No fermentation is required. Grease your idli molds with desi ghee or any cold pressed oil of your choice. Pour idli batter in the idli molds. Steam cook for 15 minutes. And allow it to cool for a few minutes. Super healthy millet idli is ready to serve. This idli goes well with any chutney or sambar of your choice. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.